got a little busy out here. Look. One tied to this tree right here, facing up this road. But see what's coming down, it comes in and out. But what got my attention over here was when I took my trail cams out a week ago. This. It is, whatever it was, has wore this tree out pretty well. All the way up to there, and they started on that one over there too. Yeah. I thought it was shot by lightning for a second, but it done more damage to this. But yeah, something has wore it out. Woodpeckers, I guess, from all the holes. You can look, either that or somebody shooting shotgun, because you can see there's like little pellets. But wasn't here a week ago. So I looked around here, found this. Like I said, there's one right there, a little spot on that. I got 2 trail cams out, and I'm up here on my second one. And it should be headed on this tree here. Where are you at? And this one here, facing this road right here, to see what's coming up and down it. Because we have deer hangs around in here. Occasional bear walks through here. Oh, there it is. That's it. There it is. I had this one faced down here in this creek. Since that's covered in road, I stuck this one over here to cover here. Let's see. And oh, batteries are dead. Well, battery's almost dead, so we can just take it out, take it back to the house and see if we